I've one messy coder here with another Unity Asset Store tutorial. That's right, tutorial this time, not review. I'm playing with LipSync Pro and UMA. So people have been asking, how can I get UMA working with LipSync Pro? And it's really easy. I'm going to show you how. Currently, LipSync Pro is on a 30% May Madness sale, retail price $35, and you can get it at the moment for $24.50. This is so easy to integrate. There's no excuse. There's no reason why you don't sit here and play with it yourself. So sit back, enjoy, and I will see you all in a second. LipSync Pro currently 30% off, $35 retail price, currently $24.50. I bought this a while back on a different sale. I think I got it when it was 30% off as well. It was this or the realistic eyes, the other one, Salsa with realistic eyes. I don't know why I got LipSync Pro. I think it was a YouTube video I saw that made me choose LipSync Pro over Salsa. I'm not too sure if I made the right decision because I don't have Salsa yet, but I'll show you how we can use LipSync Pro with UMA. It's quite easy. I am inside Unity. I've made myself a little audio file of me talking, saying about how wonderful I am. I've got Rogo Digital downloaded from the Asset Store, and I've got UMA from GitHub, but you could just as easily just grab it from the Asset Store if you wanted to. Now, if I go into the Rogo Digital, I double click this, and it's another package that we need to import. If you do have a LipSync Pro already installed, it's got here some instructions, but I don't, so I don't care. Okay, now if I go to Windows, Rogo Digital, and do get extensions, we need to grab ourselves the UMA blend system. Where is it? If I go to categories, it might be easier. Where are you, UMA? There's UMA right at the top. So if I just click on download, import it in, be very quick. It's got more 3D, I'm never going to use it. It's got Playmaker, which I might use. And now if we go to our UMA 2 blend system and we go into presets, we double click this and these will be our UMA 2 preset that we're going to use. Let's create an empty game object for our man. I'm going to call him Sam. So now if we go and find DCS, let's drag UMA DCS into our project and let's add dynamic character. There we go. This one. Can I have a male? Let's put some eyebrows on him. Brow. Actually, it's easier for us just to go to UMA. So UMA examples, human male, wardrobe recipes. Lovely. So we've got eyes. Let's find him. Let's drag in some nice eyes, some eyebrows, maybe a beard, and some beautiful hair. Let's make him a bit old. Let's put some pants on him. So let's put him a robe. And has he got any shoes? Male robe shoes. Alright, cool. And here we've got default one-time animator controller, so we'll put locomotion on there. You do have some from LipSync Pro, like Lincoln example. But I'm just going to put the locomotion that we get in there. Alright, that's good enough for now. And I'm just going to... Where is Sam? Oh, there's a scene. There's Sam. Right between his legs. So let's put our camera... That's a bit better. A little bit too close. We're inside his face. There we go. That'll do us. That'll do us. Now he's wobbling about a bit, which isn't going to make it easy for us to, so we'll put, when we're doing our editing, we'll be looking at him in the scene view. So if we now click on Sam and let's add LipSync Pro, now we can choose from this select blend system, UMA blend systems there. We've got to drag in Sam here. Another thing we need to do on Sam is if we, where's Sam's preview? There's Sam. Why is Sam so far away? Sam, stop mucking about. Now let's add an empty game object under Sam and put it up about yay and about there. So it's roughly near where his mouth would be. We're going to call this voice. And on voice, I'm going to add an audio source. Beautiful. So about our sound should come around about here. Alright, back onto here. We can now click continue because we've dragged Sam into the avatar. We've selected UMA blend system, and now you see it's looking for an audio source. Now we can drop Sam's audio source in there. Now we've got no phonemes, emotions and gestures set up yet, but we do have our UMA 2 preset because we grabbed that from here. Do you remember when we imported this? So there we go, we've got these presets. Because UMA's generated at one time, you can't actually see anything now. It's a bit of a pain in the bum. What we can do is click play, and now if we click on one of these, his phonemes, you can see his mouth moving. As I say, he's wobbling about a bit, so he's a bit of a pain, but if we now pause him, right? And actually I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll make it even easier. If we go to our locomotion and we turn off our locomotion, life just suddenly becomes even easier. And because it's in runtime, when we go back, our locomotion will magically reappear. So don't worry about that. We've got our phonemes. We've got, hang on, let's go here. And we can check him a little bit. Oh, that was a bit too close. So see here, it's got showing you a little guide of how it should look. So you try to match it up to make it look the same. And there's his rest face, and that's his. Now mouth pucker. You can add more phonemes yourself. I'm not going to play about with that because I don't want to. But I'll tell you what we'll play about with. We will add an emotion. So I'm going to click edit emotions, and it comes up with this new. See here, edit emotions, and magically appeared. Now I need to add an emotion, and I'm going to call this love, and I'm going to make it pink because love's pink. Lovely. Love is all around you. So here we go. If we go now back to Sam, and let's just minimize this one. So we've got emotions, now we've got love, but love's got no poses. So we've got to add some poses. So let's make him in love. So middle eyebrow up, and I'm going to add another one, and it's going to be left eyebrow like that. Oh, it's like a puppy dog, isn't he? And right brow down. Oh, he's so sad. Well, love is sad, isn't it? Then we've got, what should we do? Jaw open. Oh, look at that. It's love at first sight. That's what this is. And let's have a look. Tongue out a bit. Stick your tongue out. Oh, there you go. And let's do one more. Eyes, left eye, open, closed, and right eye. What's this? In, out. Oh, my word. Love's made him. There you go. This is what love makes him feel. And then we're going to do right, left mouse smile, now tell me that's not what love looks like. And there's our new emotion. Now if we unpause or unplay it, then we lost everything. We don't want to do that. So let's go to here and copy the component for lip sync. And now if we go back and we paste in our values and then we go to emotions, you'll see our love emotion now has its 8 poses. Isn't that wonderful? It is wonderful. Yes, it is. Right, so now I can do play on awake, and you see here it's looking for lip sync data. So now we're going to add our lip sync data, and as I say, I've got myself talking and we're going to use that. Okay, let's go to Window, Rogo Digital, LipSync Pro, Open Clip Editor, and I'm going to just drag that in here. Get rid of this extensions window, I don't need it. And now I can find my Messy. If I click play, watch the Messy Coder every Friday and Saturday on Twitch, all the w's.twitch.tv/themessycoder. Oh, this guy's wonderful. And if we were able to see our blokey, we'll be able to click here, choose Sam, and then you'll be able to see him in the editor, but we can't because he's not there in the editor, he's generated at runtime. So that's a shame. So might as well just have no preview. Now I've got my audio clip, I can auto sync. Now it's not the best thing they say in the world, and I do notice that there are some issues, but we can just give this a go because it is the easiest way of doing it. So I'm going to do start. Here we go. So it's finished, well, auto syncing, and you see here all of the phonemes it's found and shoved in. So we've got an O at the start, a consonants here, we've got another one, A, another E, consonants, you know, U. So here we go, loads. But what we could also do is shove some emotions. So let's click play, watch the Messy Coder. Now here I want to put in an emotion, so I'll click add emotion and I'm going to choose happy. So I'll tell you what, from here to about here we're going to be happy, so it goes happy in, happy out. We could also add in another emotion, and it's going to be eyebrows up. So we've got here, goes from happy to eyebrows up, and now go back normal. So carry on every Friday and Saturday. Again here you should have another happy. On Twitch all the all the W's should be happy, and on Twitch should be a serious. Oh, bugger. Let's undo that and put here. And put here a serious. Here we go. Serious leads to darkness. And then we've got over here, obviously he's going to be in love, and he'll end over here on a sad. Look at that, Messy Coder. So it'll be coder. Oh yeah, Messy Coder. Let's do it from the start. So we go, watch the Messy Coder happy every Friday eyebrows and Saturday normal on Twitch, and you go all the W's happy twitch.tv/themessycoder, and then he's sad when he's talking about the Messy Coder. How's that? It's lovely. Now we go here and we've now got ourselves our lip sync data. Wonderful. Go back to Sam, and now we can drag in our lip sync data here. And we could also, because you do have some standard ones, you got Tempest, you got Gettysburg. So let's do Messy first and see just what he's like. So now I've got it on awake. You can have a little bit of a delay to give people, let's do it a 0.5 second delay, and let's do this. Watch the Messy Coder every Friday and Saturday on Twitch, all the w's.twitch.tv/themessycoder. Oh, that's beautiful. He is wobbling about a lot with that animation, so let's turn off that locomotion because It's just getting away. I wonder what the Lincoln example is like. Watch the Messy Coder every Friday and Saturday on Twitch. Nice. All the W's.twitch.tv/the Messy Coder. When he was in love. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, when he was in love, he went a little bit. Oh, nice. Let's put a little bit closer. Ah, let's do that again. Watch the Messy Coder every Friday and Saturday on Twitch. All the W's.twitch.tv/the Messy Coder. Oh, that's brilliant. Alright, so that's my one. You can see, very easy. Obviously, you need to put a bit more effort than I did. Let's see what happens when people who've put a little bit more effort in. So here's the Tempest example, and it's got, the Tempest has only got eyebrows up, serious and eyebrows up. What's the Gettysburg one? Again, not drastic, but let's give him the Gettysburg one then. So drag that in there, click play.
77 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty.
But there you go, that's LipSync Pro with UMA. How easy was that? And we're also going to add now an eye controller to make this a bit more realistic. So choose from blend system, the UMA blend system. We've got our avatar already picked up, and we want blinking. But let's click pose based. Click here and add a pose. So let's choose the left eye open closed and pull that to -1 because that's closed, and then right eye open closed, put that all the way down, so that's -1. Okie dokie. Now we can minimize that, and we go to random looking, pose based as well. Now we need to choose our poses. So add looking up. Need to choose left eye up, and I think that's up, and left eye up, right eye up, and likewise the same. So now we've got looking down, it is the same but backwards. Not left eye close, left eye up down, and then right eye up down. And let's minimize that one. Looking left, you need to have in out. So left eye in out, and right eye in out. And if you're looking left, I think it's going to be like that. And doesn't really matter, does it? And if we now choose left eye in out and right eye in out, and we go the opposite. So on this one we were going this way, -1 and 1, and on this one we'll go 1, -1. Now we go up here and we turn off play on awake, and we click play. He's looking around. Maybe we were a little bit aggressive with our poses, so let's put those looking up like this, looking down about here. Yeah, it's a bit better. Likewise, these ones. There you go. Okay. Now let's click. Oops. Now let's click play. And it's randomly going to look around. There you go. A little bit more natural. Beautiful. Blinking, eyes moving around, looking fantastic. And now, if if we put back our script, Play on Awake, let's choose Tempest, push play.
We are such stuff as dreams are made
He's
on,
blinking.
and our little life is rounded with a sleep.
He's looking around as he's talking. Now somebody's popped in to say hello at the end of this video. Oh, do you want to see a little man talking? Watch the Messy Coder every Friday and Saturday on Twitch. All the www.twitch.tv/themessycoder.
But you were talking a little bit.
Was I talking a little bit?
Yeah, you were talking in that one. Thank you very much for watching.
And if you like to see more, click on that big juicy red subscribe button down below.
Slide the juicy red button down below.
Well done, baby. Okay, try this one. And if you do like it, click it.
If you like it, click it.
Well done. Till next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Next time. Bye-bye.
If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now. And down below, there's that big juicy subscribe button. And right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.